Brian DiMambro. We're looking now at a quite scarce, large turn of the century, 19th, 20th century, map of northern Maine. But what makes this so unusual and interesting is that it was compiled and published by Lucius Hubbard in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It was published in 1900, but it's specially adapted to the uses of lumbermen and sportsmen. And it was for sale in Bangor, Maine by an E.F. Dillingham. That combination of author and imprint means it's very scarce, and it shows, the key shows, winter roads, farms, taverns, and carries. The map shows extensive terrain and topographical detail, as well as railroad lines. The map appears to have been issued in two separate parts, and the reason that I believe that is each part has its own cardboard covers as issued, and someone long ago in 1901 wrote Maine North on that one, and on this one right here, the former owner, Elliott Church, in 1901 wrote Maine, let's say north, yeah, that's north and that's south. So back then, in 1901, right after it was issued, it was clearly in two parts, but it's rare either way in any condition, and is currently for sale on my website, briandimambro.com.